Double-hung windows are one of the most popular choices among Loves Park homeowners, and for good reason. They offer timeless style, excellent ventilation, easy cleaning, and dependable performance. But even the best double-hung windows won't deliver their full benefits unless they're installed correctly. That's where local expertise becomes invaluable. Choosing an installer who understands the Loves Park climate, architecture, and community standards ensures your double-hung windows perform beautifully for years. Here's why working with a local professional makes all the difference. Knowledge of Loves Park's seasonal weather challenges. Loves Park experiences hot summers, cold winters, humidity, and strong winds throughout the year. These climate conditions require windows that fit precisely and seal tightly. A local installer knows exactly how these weather patterns affect window performance. They understand how humidity affects wood and vinyl frames, the importance of tight seals during freezing winters, best practices for preventing drafts in older homes, proper insulation techniques to improve energy efficiency. Their familiarity with the area's weather ensures your double-hung windows are installed to withstand year-round conditions. Experience with local home styles and construction. Homes in Loves Park range from charming older houses to modern builds. Each home style has different needs when it comes to window installation. Local experts understand the quirks of older homes with settling foundations, how to update windows while preserving architectural character, proper techniques for installing windows in newer, energy-efficient builds, best practices for matching window materials to home design. This ensures your double-hung windows integrate seamlessly with your home's appearance and structure. Accurate sizing and precise fit for local homes. Local installers are familiar with the construction practices and window dimensions commonly used in Loves Park neighborhoods. This knowledge allows them to take measurements that lead to a precise, custom fit. A proper fit matters because it eliminates gaps and air leaks, improves energy efficiency, ensures smooth operation of the window sashes, prevents long-term issues like warping or shifting. Local experience means the installer knows exactly what to expect when removing old windows and installing new ones. Compliance with local building codes and standards. Every city has specific building codes that govern window installation, safety features, and structural requirements. A local installation professional knows Loves Park's regulations inside and out. This ensures proper safety standards are met. Installation passes inspections. When required, your windows meet energy efficiency guidelines. No delays due to code violations. Working with someone unfamiliar with local rules can lead to costly mistakes, something local expertise helps you avoid. Recommendations for the best window materials for the area. Not all double-hung windows are the same. Depending on your home's location and orientation, certain materials may perform better than others. Local experts offer personalized guidance on whether vinyl, fiberglass, or wood is best for your home, which glazing options work best in Loves Park's climate, how much insulation your windows need to reduce energy costs, which brands hold up well in local conditions. This ensures you get windows that provide long-term performance and value. Faster, more responsive service. Working with a local company means you enjoy quicker service and easier communication. If you ever need adjustments, repairs, or warranty support, your installer is nearby and ready to help. Local benefits include faster follow-up visits, better customer service, long-term relationships, and trust. Support from a team that understands your home and community. This peace of mind is something large national companies can't always offer. Higher quality installation for maximum window performance. Double-hung windows must be installed with precision to open, close, and tilt correctly. Local installers know the small adjustments needed to ensure smooth operation and tight seals. Quality installation helps your windows improve energy efficiency, reduce drafts, stay easy to operate, last longer without needing repairs. The right local installer ensures your double-hung windows deliver all the benefits you expect. Final thoughts: when it comes to double-hung window installation in Loves Park, local expertise is more than a convenience, it's a major advantage. From understanding the climate to complying with local codes and providing personalized service, a local professional ensures your windows perform beautifully and last for decades.